Since 1877, the ZETTLER name's been known for industry-leading fire detection and fire protection systems. That's why, when you see a ZETTLER system, you probably think fire protection. But with ZETTLER, you get more than a fire detection and alarm system. You get custom solutions designed specifically for their intended purpose, to better protect lives and communities. You get robust scalability with powerful customization features to provide greater adaptability for future growth. And you get extensive industry knowledge with seasoned product development to give you protection that works without getting in the way. Because at ZETTLER, we see more than fire protection. We see life, we see property, and we see your peace of mind.